Welcome guys. As we already learned the how to read data from JSON file with the help of WPF MVVM application, as we develop the same to read data from JSON file, now write data to the JSON file, now update data from the JSON file inside the JSON file. Now the part 4, the last one, to we are going to say, so delete from JSON file in your WPF MVVM application. Okay, at the end of this video I will give the link into the description box, so you can see, you can go through the runnable code with the all these 4 options. So let's start. Now this is your previous develop application. And last is the new 11. So let us see here, person and new 11. Okay, suppose I'm going to update this new 11, then you just write here, suppose the name is Johnny. Here is the okay, update. See here, the data is successfully updated. The changes is reflected here, but here now changes is already reflected here. Johnny Roy. So previous, as we are not handle here the exception, that's why the blank spaces is not able to insert. See, null is here. Okay, this null pointer error is here. JSON file. Now run again. Last is John. Show Joy. Sorry. Joy. Suppose here I am going to add a newer one. So here is, for better understanding, I use here ABC new, and here 9999. So add it. So this is your new entry. Okay, now we are going to delete. So next part is to delete the data from your JSON file with the help of this WPF MVVM application. So we need to insert here one more button and to perform or write the code to delete the items from the list, and same list we rewrite to the your JSON file. So come here in a view model. See, in a view model we already write the command for show, add, update, and this is your selected person model. So whatever data selected into the data grid, the all data will be placed inside this object person model, that the model object, and will perform operation on that. So same thing in a simple way, we just, for deletion, we just remove the item whatever selected or data whatever selected from the data grid and rewrite this list to the JSON file so that the same data will be removed. So here I make one command. Suppose the command name is delete command. Okay, I just copy this. Going to make we can say private also. Command C delete command. Okay, so command, they have the property get and set. We are here setting properties, so get properties there. Get if say delete command is equals to null, then we'll do the operation. So the operation is delete command is equals to, we handle the command with the help of this relay command. So it will be identify whether can execute or not. Use here instance. So param this dot. Now here we are going to write a one method to perform the delete operation. Is it clear? So as we first previously write update JSON, then add JSON data. So for the better understanding, delete JSON data so that anyone can easily understand what is the operation beyond this method. Okay, and here is the null. We need to perform return some or the return the result. See here we are getting error because the same method is not present. Now here I make it as a private method, private void, and simply this method name. Now perform operation for that method. So the operation is simple. See, items is our list dot remove. We are going to remove whatever selected row. All the selected row data will be appears inside the selected person model. This is the object. And the simple operation where we just take one more variable where here again we use new list as the name, new data, suppose list, name it as a list because it contains the all list, is equals to just serialize the same thing. So for the serialization, JSON convert dot serialize object, and here we just pass the same list and format dot intending, so that the list will be JSON file will be appears like a formatted structure. So file dot, and the simple the operation, rest of the operations are simple same as we perform in add, update operation and show data operation. So here is I just copy the same. Here we are going to write here the variable name is a new list get JSON. After deleting it will show the list, refresh the list, that is retrieve the same list again. So given person data is updated. Here we said deleted successfully. Let's try this, but before trying we need to bind this delete command with your delete option. So here there is no extra button, so we just put the new button here, copy paste. Here the button name is suppose delete. Now here command, what is our command name? So command name is delete command. Here is the delete. Okay, delete command. Now here overlap is there, so change here to margin. Okay, 170 is too big. Okay, go for 150. 150 is again high, so 130. Okay, 130 is okay. So delete is here. Now let's try it whether it work or not. Okay, error is there. What is the error? Semicolon is missing. Yeah, here semicolon is missing. Okay, now let's start again. Yeah. So show data. This is your data. This is your ABC. These are the 2-time entries. Here I am going to delete. Thus delete. Okay, now again delete. So given person data is deleted successfully, and click on show. Okay, the same data is appears. Again delete. Again delete. delete. Now 1 2 3 entries are there. Let us see what happened here. Since 3 entries are here, 1 2 and 3. Now one more, add here. I said new is there, Rocky. Sorry about my naming convention for the raw data. 30, and let's say 09090. This is the number. So once I add this, okay. Add. All okay now. So value cannot be null. Okay. Let's begin. So yeah, these 3 entries are there. One insert, newer one. Again. New data 30. Okay, now click on add button. So data is added. Okay, so handling here blank. If the list is blank, then we are not handle the error. Now we are focusing on only operations. So firstly we just show the data whatever present in the JSON file. So data is here. Now suppose here I enter a new one. Here is 3 and 1111. This is the add. So here new data is added successfully. Suppose you want to update it, then update the same things. Okay, new here, as I said, updated. Okay, updated. Your given data is updated. Suppose you want to delete, so click the selected file. Here the data is appears here because we bind this selected object to this your data grid, so that the all data appears here. So in that object, the data, we just remove this data or the remove this object contents from the list and just write this list again to the JSON. So delete. Okay, finally delete one more. Okay, so finally the list contains, your JSON file contains only two data for 2% here. It's in append mode, that's why it asks to whether it's save or not. Once I click on yes to all, then only 2 data is appears. Okay, so in this way we perform all the operations on JSON file. There are many methods. This one is the simplest methods, but this is applicable is only on the small amount of data. If the data is in a huge quantity, then this process may affect on your operations or the time complexity. Okay, thank you guys. If you are facing any problem related to this operation, just comment me. I will give the answer definitely. Yeah, and the same code, the runnable code, I will share in the description box. You just click on that link, you will get the all code. Okay, thank you.